Oh, good morning. Are you ready to go on a trip? Yeah, do you want to go in the car? Want to go on a road trip? Yeah? Okay, let's go. Want to go on an adventure? She's like, what is all this stuff? You want to go in the car?
It's time for a road trip.
Let's go on a road trip. Let's go. Let's go see some friends. Let's do it.
Tell us where we're going, babe.
We are off to Utah.
Yeah.
My aunt is getting married in about, what, 10 hours?
Yeah.
So we're racing to Utah
Yep.
so we can get there early enough to get ready for the wedding and make it to the wedding.
Yeah.
We have a few other things to get done this weekend. We've got to go to the DMV today to get my car registered.
Yep.
So it's gonna be a crazy next 2 days, but I'm excited.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go show up. We're gonna get there pretty early. What, 9?
Yeah, about
something?
10.
Yeah. I think we're gonna go surprise the Tannerites. We're gonna show up on their doorstep or show up with a cat on their doorstep and see what they think.
How did she do that? What the heck?
Me.
What are you doing? You gotta stay in there. Oh my gosh. So we are, what is this? We're about an hour away.
From the gas station.
Oh, from the gas station.
Yeah.
Dang it.
We're about 2 hours and 15 minutes away.
Okay, that's not terrible.
Yeah, no.
But this kitty has been screaming the whole time. Oh my goodness. The whole drive so far. What has it been? Like 4 hours now?
About 3.5, almost 4, yeah.
Man. So,
She just wants to get out, and but the problem is when she's out, she wanders everywhere.
yeah, she'll
Instead of
climb
the
up on
same-
alley.
Yeah. Rather than just staying in one place, and we need her to stay in one place.
Yeah. So, I might let her out for a bit. I got some sleep, so we'll see if she can handle being out without
She
going
may
crazy.
just immediately fall asleep. She's probably exhausted from
That's true.
what she's been doing for the last 3 hours.
Yeah.
made it to Utah.
Sure did.
And the poor kitty is so tired.
Well, she was yapping the whole time.
She was for like 3.5 hours. Look at her. She's has not moved this spot in the last, what?
She's sleepy.
7 minutes?
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
You're not going to be happy when we have to get out of the car in a few minutes.
No, she is not.
She got so comfortable and just flopped.
Yeah.
Sleepy baby. But we made it.
We did.
We did it. It was not that bad of a drive.
Nah.
It was...
Well, I slept for most of it.
You did sleep for most of it, but it
And
was...
edited videos.
That's true. For me, it went by pretty quick. And it was nice and smooth. So... Okay, we're about to get to my parents' house, and we're gonna try to, like... They know we're coming at some point today, because we're meeting them for my aunt's wedding. But they don't know exactly what time, so we're gonna go, like, surprise them and sneak up on them. It is 9:20 in the morning.
Yes.
The kids may all still be asleep, honestly. They have lots of doors, so we gotta figure out, like, exactly which
one's unlocked.
We gotta
sneak
go
in
through. Hopefully, like, the garage is open or something.
Yeah.
So that maybe we can sneak in through there. I feel like it would be fun if we took Nebula up to the kids' rooms and just, like, put her in there and close the door. So they're like, what?
What is the cat doing here?
What, the cat?
Yeah.
Just to kind of...
Why'd the cat shrink?
Exactly, throw off the scent.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess we'll just, like, we'll play it by ear. See which door is unlocked, which door is not. We'll see. You ready to go inside? Yeah? No? Was that a no?
No, that was
so
a yes.
Tired.
That was a yes.
Yeah,
He's ready.
let's go.
Oh.
Let's
Hey,
go.
give me kisses.
She's like, where are we? This place looks familiar.
Yeah.
It's been a long time since you've been here.
Yes, it has.
Should we go inside?
You want to tap the camera?
We say, hi, camera. She's like, no, I want to. She's curious.
I know. All right, we're sneaking in. There's a camera right there.
There's a camera everywhere.
I know.
I don't know how we're supposed to get through this gate though. This is like the hard.
This one we can do it. We can do it. Oh man.
Well, we gotta go to the other side of the...
We're sneaking in. Wait, the light's green. Does that mean he's watching? I can't tell. Yeah, wait. Okay. Okay, I got it. I'll do it. Maybe I just jump over. Do I jump over?
Sure.
I can jump over.
You gotta be very careful though.
Yeah, it's all good. Here you go.
I'm not jumping over.
No, that's fine.
Careful of Charlie.
Okay.
Because he's gonna come running and barking.
Okay.
Or do you want to try the other gate?
Huh?
Do you want to try the other gate?
This one?
No, the other side.
Hold on. See if I can do it. These guys are just like super rusty. Oh man.
That's what I'm saying. The gate on the other side of the yard.
Oh, I can't get to it. Dang it.
Let's try the small gate.
Okay, let's go. Come on, babe. You gotta be quiet. Nebula. I gotta sneak in. Okay, I think we're safe. You go first.
I go first.
You're going first.
Oh, you know they have the massive windows right there.
I know. That's why you go first.
Are we going up or just through the back?
I don't know. You gotta scope it out.
I'm blind. I guess I'm the blind one. Oh, that's my shadow.
Sneak. Where's Charlie? Let's check. I don't see anyone. Let's do it. Let's go. Oh, there's another camera right there. We gotta be quiet. It's locked. Oh man.
Just try downstairs.
We failed. Hey, babe, walk quietly. Your parents will hear this. Dang it. Let's just hope he doesn't check the cameras. Oh man. Oh crap. Wait, what about this? What about the sliding door? It's clear, it's clear. Let's check.
See anyone?
No, I don't see anyone. Oh, dang it. Oh, we failed. Wait, isn't there another door? The bathroom door. The bathroom door. Dang it. It's locked too. Oh. We tried. We tried to sneak in and we failed. Fall back, fall back. Oh, we missed the camera. Oh man, we failed.
We were trying to surprise you guys.
I have the post up here that I can see all.
Yeah,
Oh,
we knew that
man.
was gonna happen. That's why we were waving to every camera as we passed.
I keep getting notifications, so.
Oh man, we tried so hard.
The one by the garage, we were like, we're trying to sneak into your house, so don't be alarmed, it's us.
Yeah.
You want to see your cat, Mom? It's been 6 months. Oh, she hears us.
Yeah.
New today?
Who is that? Nebula, who is
That
that?
sounds like you.
See the mem today?
Nebula, who is
Mem
that?
today? Oh, the mem kitty.
Who could that be?
See the mem today? Oh, the mem kitty. Hi, mem kitty.
Who is that? They're almost the same size.
That's crazy.
Mem's like, I think I know this guy.
Mim's like, oh, you brought me another baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, Nebula, you're almost her size.
Nebula's
Mem's really
confused.
long.
Yeah.
Mem's always been like long and skinny. Yeah, that's.
Hey,
Oh.
Nebula,
Close there.
be nice.
They'll do this for a while, and then they'll be lovey-dovey.
Yeah.
Oh, kitty, kitty.
That's your mom.
She does her little pig grunt.
Yeah.
What do you think,
Where are
Mem
you
Kitty?
going, Nebula?
We gotta explore together now. Why are you so nervous, Nebula? You're not ready for another kitty friend, huh? You're just not ready?
I'm not used to cats that look like me.
Yeah.
Carl and Sushi.
It's okay, baby. Uh-oh, we're gonna have a trade dispute here. Uh-oh.
That's Nebula's breakfast. That's kitten food.
She was almost going for it.
You're making a mess, Nebula. I mean, you always make a mess, but...
Nim's like, why can't I have any?
Is that specific kitten kibble? It's made specifically for the kittens. You're not really a kitten anymore. She's like, circle back to it.
Yeah. Hey, dudes. How's it going? Oh! Hi. How are you? Oh, you're gonna squeeze me to death! Ah! Sorry.
I'm squeezing both of them. Hi, guys. Hi. We're at your house.
They were waiting at the top of the stairs for you to come down.
Aww.
They had their little engines revved and everything. They were ready. You found her? Yeah. Yeah.
Em loves Carol right now.
Oh! There they go. Wow. Yeah, she'll be sweet. Hopefully, she does have her claws still though, so you gotta keep that in mind. But yeah, go kitty.
She likes people.
Yeah,
She's not animals.
that's true.
I might steal it.
If you just like grab 3 and then I'll
It's my pet snake.
Oh, it's a snake? I thought it was just like a rope.
It's a
Grab
garden.
them like
It's
this
my
size
garden
already?
snake.
Oh, nice. That's
So
cool.
it's
Yeah,
not
there's
mean.
some in that guest room.
That's
if you
pretty
wanna-
cool.
Is there?
It's my symbol.
What species is
If you
that?
go put the cats away. 'Cause I also
A
gotta-
garden snake?
Oh, that's actually the species?
I don't know what species
Oh.
it is.
Ah, I thought it was
It's
something.
not alive.
It's not? Well, that's sad.
It's just a toy.
Womp
But
womp.
it's stretchable and literally, if you curl it up, it stays curled up.
Nice.
And then when you uncurl it, it stays uncurled.
Are you ready?
I am ready. I just need my shoes, but they're in the car.
Do that again? Your shoes?
My shoes?
Your shoes? Nice. You look good. And I'm just all in black.
You look good too. You
Because-
have.
Got a cat all over me.
I was about to say, how did you get yourself dirty already? You've been
Well,
wearing this for like 10
I
minutes.
was on the scooter outside, so,
That's where you did.
and I was playing
I walked
basketball.
out and it was quiet, and I said,
Yeah.
"Did they all leave me?
No.
Where did everyone go? Don't
Thanks.
forget those, because you
Thank
will."
you.
Look at
Well,
my handsome wedding date.
well, we snuck in to the house a little bit.
We kind of succeeded.
Yeah.
If my dad wasn't up at the.
Yeah.
And we'll go outside and
We tried.
Kitty.
I think that's gonna do it.
Yeah, that's all for this video.
Yeah.
There is going to be more content with my family, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any videos. And yeah, we love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye.